Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check for system updates and how to perform a system update on XIAOMI Smart L1. To update system, click on the settings button on your remote, then go to all settings. Now go to system, about, system update, and wait until it checks for updates. You can see in my case there is an update available, so I will download it to make sure that it just has all the newest features, all the security fixes, and runs smoothly. I'll get back to you when it's finished. Now, after it finishes downloading, it'll prompt you to restart it. So click on restart now and it will restart the system, and shortly all the updates will be applied and you'll be able to use your projector. And you can see that now the system was restarted and it's finishing system updates. So you may still need to wait a moment before the system is all fine and usable, but now it will be finished shortly. So that'll be it for the video. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.